Everyone has seen that the real estate market is quite volatile. And if you're buying property, well, it's exciting, but it's overwhelming. Besides the obvious purchase price and down payment, believe it or not, there are four important things you should consider when you're making an offer on a property. Number one, finance terms. Usually, when a buyer is making an offer on a property, they have an understanding of how their financing will work. But typically, as we are going through the contract, the financing could change. You may not get the terms you want, the interest rate you want, or the amount. So it's important to build in a mortgage contingency in your contract. Sometimes we would want the seller to pay some or all of our closing costs. It's important to designate that in the contract who's paying and what. Things like realty transfer fee, commissions, title searches, and title fees. Number three, home inspection. Many times when we buy a home, we want to make sure that the home is right for us and that there's no substantial repairs or things that need to be addressed. So make sure you have a home inspection contingency in your contract so that if the home needs lots of work, you may be able to offer a credit, a repair that the seller will do, or a repair that you will do. Make sure that's in there in writing, that it's clear who's taking care of what. Number four, closing date and sale of existing home. For those of us who are not first time home buyers, we have to consider what will happen with our existing home. Will we need to sell it after the sale? Will we need to sell it before? Or can we sell it at the same time we're buying our new home? Those terms need to be built into the contract. You may need to consider a home sale contingency. It's important because oftentimes contracts for the sale of property take anywhere from 30 to 45 days. If you have a home sale contingency, it may need to be modified. Many purchase agreements are standardized, and a lot of the terms in there are not custom to fit your needs. So it's so important to have an attorney who knows how to modify these contracts so your situation and your needs are met during this deal. If you're in the process of buying a home, why don't you give us a call and we'd be so happy to review the contract and make sure the terms are suitable for you and that you get the home of your dreams.